What seems to be the problem you're having?
I'm having pain in my lower back and also my mid back in between my shoulder blades.
Okay.
And I'm looking for some treatment.
How long has it been?
It's been about a month and a few days.
Okay. And has anything happened particularly?
The cause, you mean?
Yes.
Yes. I was hit by a car actually coming out of Ralph's.
Okay.
So it wasn't a fast speed, but it was enough to kind of jolt me and knock the shopping cart over.
And you thought nothing of it, right?
I thought nothing of it. I didn't feel no pain initially, and slowly but surely I started to kind of feel it. And I was told that I should at least go check it out at the ER, which I did. And they kind of just somewhat blew me off a little bit. They said, "You'll be all right." It'll be all right. Yeah.
Okay. And you shared with me that it also compounded by you enjoy exercising, so it doesn't help.
I enjoy exercising, so I did take some time off because initially it felt like, okay, I definitely can't work out like this. So I took about a month off, on and off. So when I went back, it felt good, but then I just noticed the difference. Like, I wasn't the same for sure.
How would you rate the pain today?
Today,
0 to 10.
It fluctuates. Right now, it's about a 5 to 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about we make it a 1 or maybe a 0?
That's the goal.
Today.
Today? All right, let's do it.
Okay. Let's breathe in, out. Good. So that's what's going to happen, okay?
Okay.
The only difference now, I'm going to impulse and apply a lot more force.
Okay.
Okay, in, out. Okay, good. One more. Out. Got it. Last one. Out. There you go. Go ahead and turn around, face up on your back. Turn that over. So same noise will be louder now, okay?
Okay.
Oh, wow. Alright, what you want to do is lay on your side, facing that way.
Okay.
Stand up. Go ahead and stand up.
Stand up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so what you want to do, lay face down here, okay?
Face down.
Scoot down more. If this table is different from the previous, this piece right here is going to pop up, okay?
Pop up?
Like that.
Okay.
Breathe in. One more. Out. Good. Again. Out. Okay. Go and stand up. Give it a walk in a circle here. Come around the other side. Sit down and see how that feels. Come on up. So what number now?
Wow. I don't feel no. Feels good. 0.
0?
0.
I forgot to ask you. This is your first time, right? Ever?
Yeah, it is.
First exposure to chiropractic ever?
First exposure ever.
So how is it?
It's great. I would recommend it. It feels good. I'm looking forward to taking some time out of the gym and seeing how I feel when I get back in there.
Okay, very good. 3 things you need to know.
Okay.
First one is you're going to feel better, which you are. The second one is since the joint hasn't moved for a long time, you're going to feel sore. Okay. So it's very similar to like the gym, right? When you haven't worked out a long time, it's going to be start sore for about 2, maybe 3 days.
Okay. Okay.
And then the last one, the worst one of all, you're going to sleep real good.
That's the worst one. Thank you for that. Appreciate it, man.
So you're boxing, right?
Yes,
You're
I'm doing kickboxing and
and boxing.
Yeah.
Both.
Yes.
Hi, this is Dr. Danny Lai. I'm a licensed chiropractor and acupuncturist. I'm located at 237 West 7th Street in Oxnard, located across the street from Heritage Square. I want to personally invite you and welcome you to my office.